Moving your family to a new country is a big decision. It can also be an amazing opportunity. Imagine exploring Spain's rich culture and history. Picture your family enjoying delicious food and sunny beaches. Now think about giving your children the gift of bilingualism and a global perspective. This dream can become a reality. Studying abroad in Spain offers a chance for your entire family to learn, grow, and create unforgettable memories. Spain is a welcoming country with a high quality of life. It's known for its warm people, vibrant cities, and beautiful landscapes. For families considering studying abroad, Spain offers a perfect blend of cultural immersion and excellent educational opportunities. Bringing your family along on your study abroad adventure can enrich the experience for everyone. Imagine exploring ancient castles together, learning to flamenco dance, or cheering for local football teams. These shared experiences will create lasting bonds and a sense of adventure for everyone. So, are you ready to pack your bags and embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive into the practicalities of making this dream a reality. Barcelona, the cosmopolitan capital of Catalonia, is a fantastic city to live and study in. It offers a unique blend of history, art, and modernity. From the architectural wonders of Antoni Gaudí to the bustling markets and beautiful beaches, Barcelona has something for everyone. Imagine strolling down Las Ramblas, enjoying tapas in the Gothic Quarter, or taking a cable car ride up Montjuic for breathtaking city views. The Polytechnic University of Katan stands out as a top choice for international students. Known for its strong academic programs and commitment to innovation, PUK offers a wide range of English-taught master's degrees. Whether you're interested in business, engineering, design, or the humanities, PUK has a program to match your academic goals. The university's modern facilities and experienced faculty provide a stimulating learning environment. Plus, Barcelona's thriving business and cultural scene offer ample opportunities for internships, networking, and personal growth. Choosing PUK means becoming part of a diverse and welcoming community. The university attracts students from all over the world, creating a rich cultural tapestry that enhances the learning experience. One of the biggest concerns for families considering studying abroad is the cost. Spain offers surprisingly affordable tuition fees compared to other European countries and the United States. Public universities in Spain, like PUK, are government-funded, keeping tuition costs lower than private institutions. Tuition fees depend on factors like the level of study and the number of credits. PUK offers various financial aid options to support international students. These include scholarships, grants, and work-study programs. Explore the university's website or contact their financial aid office for specific opportunities. Studying abroad is an investment in your future and your family's future. The experience and qualifications you gain can open doors to exciting career opportunities and personal growth. Section 4. Navigating the visa and admissions process. Obtaining a student visa and navigating the admissions process might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. For stays longer than 90 days, most non-EU citizens need a student visa to study in Spain. Contact the Spanish embassy or consulate in your home country for up-to-date visa requirements. Typically, you'll need a valid passport, proof of acceptance into PUK, financial means, health insurance, and a background check. The PUK admissions process is straightforward and accessible to international students. Submit academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, a statement of purpose, and proof of English proficiency. The PUK website provides detailed information about the admissions process and deadlines. Reach out to their admissions office for any questions or assistance. They're there to help make your transition to PUK as smooth as possible. Section 5. Your academic journey, background, and opportunities. Your academic background plays a crucial role in your application to PUK. The university seeks students who have a solid foundation in their chosen field of study and are eager to learn and contribute to their academic community. If you're considering a master's program, you'll generally need a bachelor's degree in a related field from an accredited institution. PUK's admissions committee will carefully review your academic transcripts to assess your suitability for the program. PUK offers various master's programs designed to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in today's global job market. Their programs often incorporate practical elements like internships and real-world projects, giving you valuable experience to boost your resume. Beyond academics, PUK encourages students to engage in extracurricular activities, clubs, and student organizations. These activities enhance the overall university experience and provide opportunities to make new friends, develop leadership skills, and explore your interests. Section 6. The benefits of public universities and life in Barcelona. Choosing to study at a public university like PUK comes with numerous advantages. As mentioned earlier, public universities in Spain benefit from government funding, which helps keep tuition fees lower than private institutions. This affordability makes a world-class education accessible to a wider range of students. Public universities in Spain are known for their high academic standards and commitment to research and innovation. PUK, in particular, has a strong reputation for producing highly skilled graduates who are sought after by employers worldwide. Barcelona is a vibrant and exciting city that offers an incredible quality of life. It's a city that seamlessly blends its rich history with modern amenities, making it an ideal place to live, study, and raise a family. The cost of living in Barcelona is relatively affordable compared to other major European cities. You'll find various housing options from shared apartments to family-friendly neighborhoods. Public transportation is efficient and affordable, making exploring the city easy without relying on a car. Section 7. Embrace the Spanish experience. Moving your family to Spain for your studies is a life-changing decision that offers a wealth of opportunities for personal and academic growth. Imagine exploring the charming streets of Barcelona, indulging in delicious Spanish cuisine, and immersing yourselves in the Spanish language and culture. While the process of moving abroad may seem daunting, with careful planning and preparation, you can turn this dream into a reality. Start by researching PUK's programs, exploring visa requirements, and connecting with other families who have already made the move. Studying abroad in Spain is not just about academics. It's about embracing a new culture, expanding your horizons, and creating unforgettable memories with your family. So, take the leap, embrace the adventure, and embark on this incredible journey together.